All right, I have a question for you.
Okay. I don't know. Okay, go ahead.
All right. What do you think about the smell of truck drivers?
Oh my God. They are disgusting.
What do you think about the smell of truck drivers?
It depends on the truck driver. It really does.
What do you think about the smell of some truck drivers?
All I can say, I keep plenty of effort.
Some of them really nasty as hell. They stink.
Oh man. Now, I ain't never in all my life experienced the smell that some of these guys come through here like that in.
Can't be defined by words.
I'm telling you, boy.
What do you think about the smell of some truck drivers?
Some of them smell like rotten ass, dirty balls.
They'll get out the truck, they're scratching their crotch. They're trying to hand you papers with the very same hand. Some of them haven't showered in days. It'd be so bad. Oh my God.
Right, so it's summertime, you get a little bit of must, and then during the winter, it's mostly just stale cigarettes.
Some people that come in like looking nasty, you smell. And then other people that come in looking together smell good.
My arms stink. You know how it goes. They've been in the truck all day, so hey, you know, sometimes they can take a shower.
Not all, but most truck drivers are horrible.
Now, what would you say the percentage of the ones that smell good versus the ones that smell bad?
There's more truck drivers that smell good.